Hi dresser cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing an autumn cinnamon roll inspired by Tokidoki. So let's get started to draw this very cozy cinnamon roll. Step 1. Eyes and mouth. Eyes. Let's first start by drawing the eyes. Draw an oval and try to slant it a little bit inwards. If you're not comfortable, you can make it straight up and down. Second eye. Come across and draw another oval, trying to match the first one in size. Note, you will color them blue later. Mouth. Right in between the eyes, draw this wobbly, very flattened out W shape and bring it in. Step 2. Head shape and scarf line. Head outline. Use the top of the eyes as a guide. Come out to a point approximately on both sides. Draw a curve right around the eyes. The basic mochi-shaped head. Bottom connection. Round it off. Bring the lines in and connect it. As you connect it, flatten it out a bit because this cinnamon roll is wearing a scarf. Step 3. Headband and floppy ears. Top of head, headband. Skip a little bit of space above the head. Draw a curve right over the head all the way back to the same area on the other side. Thicken this curve up to form the headband. Ears. Say about right here. Draw a curve, pop it out, then flop it out, round it off, and bring it back in. Ears right. Drag the points across to ensure it's approximately the same area. Curve it out, and then dip flop to match the size and connect it back. Step 4. Top donuts. Hair buns. Left bun. On the headband, put in this big circle to create a big donut, and then a smaller center circle inside. Right bun. Repeat the big circle and center on the other side, fitting it right into the space. You can add sprinkles when coloring. Step 5. Body, scarf, and hand-holding cup. Left scarf arm. Come underneath the left eye. Draw a little line for the scarf. Come down, go up at an angle, round it off for the hand, and bring it down. Body curve. In this area, draw a curve for the body. Scarf across. Come down using the line of the arm, scarf, and go across to form the main scarf line. Step 6. The hot drink. Cup position. Underneath the center of the right eye, start with a line going across the bottom of the lid. Lid top. Put in a little angle and go across again to draw the lid. Add a taller top. Tip. You can let the cup hit the face so you don't have to erase. Right hand. Stop the cup line. Pop out a curve for the other hand, tapering it into an ovalish shape. Cup sides. Bottom. Continue the angle for the cup on both sides and connect it at the bottom. Finish scarf. Use whatever space you have left to finish the scarf wrapping around the cup area. Step 7. Warm boots and tail. Right side body. About right here, pop out a curve for the side of the body. Boots. Start drawing a bunch of fluffy curves to make the warm shoes look thick. Use a center guideline to keep them even. Tail. Right about here, pop out this big circle for the tail. Draw a little curve inside for the cinnamon roll detail. Step 8. Final details. Scarf finish. Finish up the scarf. Add some tassels at the ends. You can put in stripes if you like. Cup decoration, Tokidoki inspired. Put a little band right here. I'll put a heart on mine. Cup face. On the top of the cup, draw 2 big ovals for eyes and a smile right in between. Conclusion. And that is pretty much it for my drawing here of this autumn cinnamon roll inspired by Tokidoki. I really hope you love how it turned out, and I helped you draw it fun and easy. Call to action. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new draw videos. See you later.